With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
The question is, match column 1 with column 2 and select the correct option from the codes given below. So we are given with the two columns, column 1 and column 2. So we have to match the correct option from the given codes. So let us come to column A. So let us come to column 1. So A in column 1, it is RBC. So RBCs, these are the red blood cells also called as erythrocytes. So these are the red blood cells of our body. RBCs, if we match the corresponding functions of RBCs from the column 2, so these are involved in the gas transport. So what happens is these RBCs, they have a special pigment that is called as hemoglobin, and it has affinity to transport oxygen and carbon dioxide in our bloodstream. So these are primarily involved in the transportation of oxygen via our bloodstream. So these are involved in the transportation of oxygen via bloodstream. So this is the function of RBCs, that is transportation of gases. So it is option 4. So our A, it matches with number 4. So then B, it is antibody. So B is antibodies. So these antibodies, these are responsible for the immune responses in our bodies. So antibody, these are responsible for providing immunity in our body. So these are associated with the immune responses, that is responses to foreign agents in our body. So these are responsible for immune responses in our body. So if we come to column 2, so here this is number 2, that is immunity. So B, it matches with number 2. So let us come to C. C, it is platelets. So platelets, these are also a component of blood that are also called as thrombocytes. So the platelets or the thrombocytes, these are the blood components that are responsible of blood clotting. So these are responsible for the blood clotting in case of injury. So blood clotting, or we call it as coagulation of the blood, or we call it as coagulation, that is clotting of blood in case of injury. So during injury, they repairs our body tissues or the part of injury by clotting the blood at the injury. So these are responsible for blood clotting, that is coagulation during injury. So if we come to column 2, so it is number 1, that is coagulation. So our C, it matches with number 1. So next, if we talk about D, so D, it is systole. So systole, D, systole, this is the term refer to the contraction of the ventricles of our heart. So systole, it refers to the contraction of ventricles of our heart. So when the ventricles, they contract, the term we call it as systole. So systole, it is related with the contraction of ventricles. So it is number 3 here. So D, it matches with 3. So our correct option will be A4, B2, C1 and D3. So if we come to the options, option A says that A5, no, A was 4. This is incorrect. And then B option says that A2, no, our A was 4. So again, this is incorrect. And C option says that A4, yes, this is correct. B2, correct. C1, C was 1, yes. And D3, D was 3. So this is our correct option. So option C is our correct option. D says that A3, no, our A was 4. So this is also incorrect. So our correct option is option C, A4, B2, C1 and D3.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.